Hello again, here on Chrizlys Modellbau Werkstatt. Today the U2C spy plane from Italeri Kit No, it's 808. And so we are going to do the unboxing. Scale 1:48. You see, very small box, very compact. As you know, Italeri has 3 U2 models. One, the 808 U2C, then the 864, the senior span, and the older kit, the Sky Patrol TR1A, kit number 822. So, yeah, nice collection, always the same basic castings, but I think it makes sense to have a U2 flat. Okay, back again to the unboxing. The cardboard box looks good made, solid. So, we have here the decal sheet. Decal sheet, you see it's very old. You have this slightly shiny version for the nicer, for the US Air Force. Well, here's the manual. You see it's very old kit for sure. But anyway, inside is a piloted figure, or 2 pilot people are added. Some transport tooling is there available. As I said, 2 versions. US Air Force in grey camouflage and standard NASA white. For the assembly, very easily done, only a couple of steps. Here we have the clear side parts, looks well casted, no burrs, no, good to see. The casting, raw material, you have positive lines. The plastic looks a bit strange because it's grayish, but anyway, you see some rivets. The pilot is, okay. As you see, pilot's done right with the joystick, but honestly it's not good casted, you need to burr a lot. I think I would use some pilot from the scrap box, and use the joystick also from the scrap box. It's not looking not so nice. Of course, we can build the aircraft again with open air brakes. I think one aircraft I will do it. Yeah. What's this? As you see, here's a lot of burr on the gears. It's not so nice. Also here, pilot. Oh, you remember Eddie Munster? The pilot looking like that. So flat heat. Yeah. What do we have here? Some external fuel tank. Okay, forgot about this kit. Okay, yeah. What that's pity. We have here the engine in cone, and then they use this casting inside, which you have to remove. You have to blend it. So why have they done this? So wheels already finished casted. Now details on it. It's not so fine. Here we have the transport utility vehicle. That looks great. It's really well made. Here we have the wings. Not so nice done. So honestly, if you have the choice or the change to decide the old U2C kit number 808 from testers in Italeri, or get the new Italeri kits called number 864 or 822, I honestly would use the newer one. The old kit, it's not looking bad. You can make something from it, but the other ones in much more better condition. But of course, if you're going to get this kit for €5 or something on eBay, you have not to think about to say no. Definitely buy it, build it. It's a bit tricky, it's not the best one, it's the old one, but as you know, a good modeler who wants the adventure, who wants the challenge. An easy kit everyone can make. This kit you need some ideas, you need some crafts, and then you're going to get a nice aircraft. So if you're a good modeler, you're going to make this one. You say, oh no, I don't want to have all these challenges. You should not do it. Alternative, if you're going to start to be and say, looks like a duck, sounds like a duck, is a duck, then buy this one. For start it's okay, and if you want to have it really great, then you need to put some more power on it. Okay, so that was unboxing of the U2 spy plane from Italeri, kit number 808. And yeah, would be great if you're going to see us next when I'm going to build this aircraft. See you, bye!